Here's a hidden feature known as media volume limit. This is found on most Samsung phones, and this is going to be great for those of us who use headphones or Bluetooth earphones, and we want to set a volume limit to protect our ears or hearing. So this is with the latest Android 15 update. Let's get started. Whether you want to see if your phone has it or make use of this feature, use the quick access, tap on the settings toggle right here. And the fastest way to this feature here is by using the search bar right there. And you want to type in these exact words, media, yeah, I spelled it wrong, media volume limit. And once you do that, you're going to see it here. It is going to be part of the sounds and vibrations. You can also go there and check. So I'll go ahead and dive into it by tapping on it one time. And this is where you would go to turn it on. So it'll most likely be off. Once you turn it on, it'll tell you it's going to protect your ears with a media volume limit for headphones and Bluetooth devices. So of course, everybody wants to protect our hearing. And a lot of us, especially this generation, we enjoy using earphones, except for those of us who like blasting our phones. But yeah, so custom volume limit here. This is the decibels here, and you can set it to 100, and the bass is 85, all right? And I would recommend having it set to a minimum just in case. You can always come back and turn this off and increase it to how loud you want it to be, like and sub.